Fear, 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 fear. Well, have no fear right now, my fellow Ethereans. It's BFam here. Welcome to Ether9 TV. I hope you're doing well in this drastic times in cryptocurrency land. Boy, the seas, the waves are real big right now. We're going through it. The storm is not even over right now. Can you see the fear and greed index? We are in extreme fear mode. There is pure fear out there. But usually the best time to buy is when it's fearful out there, when people are scared, when people are selling. And the best time to sell when it's in the green, when people are greedy, exuberant. So right now, the sentiment of the people, their feelings, their emotions have lowered. They're scared, right? So it reflects, as we can see, in the markets, in the chart, in the price of whatever asset. It doesn't matter what asset you're looking at, it reflects in the charts. That's why we are going downtown right now. The price is right. Come on down, Bitcoin. The price is right. That's right. We are heading downtown, people, whether you like it or not. This is reality. And I've told you from a long time in plenty of my videos, this crypto market is nothing to play with. So I hope you're doing well out there. Keep strong and hold on to this roller coaster ride of cryptocurrency. As you can see in the chart right now, we're looking at a daily chart, daily candles, and it ain't looking good, people. It's not looking good. BFam is telling you right now, it ain't looking good. Now, you know, nothing is guaranteed. It's all based on probability. And just looking at the chart, it's very probable that we'll be touching the 30,000 zone again. We're going to be retesting that zone. Very high probability. If we don't hold that 30,000 mark, people, hey, it's going to be a rocky road, people. I mean, look, if we don't hold this 30,000 mark, next stop is around 26, give or take. Nothing's right and exact. As I said, it's just where most people are buying. It's support levels. They call it support levels. So these are the levels of the price of the asset where people will come in and buy up the asset around those price marks. That's all it is. It ain't guaranteed, people. It's all based on probability. But just looking at the chart, it's looking ugly. I mean, look at the MACD. The MACD is totally crossed. When you see the blue line cross that, the red line, that's it. It's all over, people. It's all over. But is it all over? Is the bull run all over? You know what? To be honest, probability wise, no. But you also have to take in the other side of things, that there is a possibility, yeah, a small probability that we may even go down to the 20,000 zone, and we may hover down there for a good while, a good few months. We don't know. All we have to do, wow, man, people, all we have to do is just go by this day by day, step by step. The charts will tell us what's happening, the price action. That's it. You know, people can say, oh, it's going to come down to here, oh, it's going to go down to here. Nothing's guaranteed. It ain't guaranteed, people. So please just bear that in mind. It's all based on probability, all of it. But first of all, before I get into the gist of the video, I know some of you are feeling down, but come on, let me put some smiles on your faces. Come on, people, keep strong out here. Keep strong. Here's my friend.
Continuité d'homme. Temporary bottom, reversal. Repeat and payant a bull flag. Putting to sleep. Dodge the Korea food. Making think it's the bottom, drop off the volume. Dump it again. Push sideways. Print 100 million Ether when equals to sleep, temporal please.
Is that like
Load a deep. Sideways until it sleeps, then crash with the exact same Korea fold. Get Vitalik on the land. Grand pattern for 2 hours and then break him up.
Okay.
is that like
Load the flippen and trade.
if loaded what?
Crash it.
If like okay, is that
All right, my people, don't make them do it to you. Don't make them do that to you, my people. Yeah, don't make them do that to you, because this is what the institutions do to us, right? They try to do this to the retail investors and traders out here. Don't let them mess with your emotions out here, people. Don't pull the gun out and blow your head off when you lose your all your money. Don't do it. Don't do it. And anyway, first of all, you don't lose any money until you sell. First of all, so if you're a bit under the weather with your crypto trades or investments, you're the only person that can make those decisions. If you're in it for the long term, hey, it's not a problem. Just chill. Keep on stacking your sats and just chill. Traders, well, you should put your stop losses in, etc. And hey, you know best, right? You know best. But another thing, how to like mitigate your when we're in a down market, how to mitigate your so-called losses. Remember, you can earn passive income via staking and masternodes. So a lot of these cryptocurrencies in the market give off passive income. So if you haven't seen my video on it, check out this video, earn passive income via staking and masternodes, that I did about 5 months ago, and it will get you up to speed on how you can make money, not even trading, just sitting back, relaxing, and buying some of these tokens and cryptos that pay you in your sleep. So when it comes to these drastic times that we're in now, you won't be feeling so much of the pain. At least you'll be getting a income in without you buying anything or trading. You'll be getting a monthly, a weekly income from some of these cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet or on certain exchanges, giving you a passive income. And and in a lot of cases, these incomes will override a lot of people's income that they're getting from their job or their business once they get enough of these cryptocurrencies that give off these passive income over time. Hey, so that's another strategy that you can implement over time, but it takes time depending on how much you're willing to put into the market. But if you can use just those two strategies to ease the pain, so when we do go through these periods of blood on the streets, you won't be panicking too much. Simple as that. You have to implement strategies, different strategies, so you can weather any condition in cryptocurrency land, because I've told you it can get real vicious out here. The seas are rough, right? We're on the open seas. We've never come to these prices, people. This is all brand new, everything, right? So bear that in mind. But at the same time, it's great opportunities. So right now, what's going on with the prices right now? I mean, Bitcoin 37, ETH 2.5, Cardano 154, Binance 320. These are some bargains right now, people, to be honest. Polkadot 23, Bitcoin Cash 678. I mean, these cryptos, they've taken an over 50% haircut. I mean, today's date is what, the 22nd of the 5th after midnight over here in Londinium, England. And boy, oh boy, oh boy, I am just drooling at some of these prices, people. I'm just drooling. And as I said, always have some cash on the sidelines or some stable coins on the sidelines. So when you do see some of these ridiculous prices right now, you can scoop some up. Now, the best time to scoop some up is when everything is chilled out. Right now, everything has not chilled out right now, people. It's still very volatile. Prices are still going. They, we can even see some even lower. If Bitcoin goes down to $30,000, people expect some more pain with these altcoins. Expect pain, 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 pain. But as I said, just when the dust settles, then see what the market is doing, and then buy up some of these cheap coins and tokens. Because I tell you something, when the market does turn around after this little phase, oof, people, anyone that bought the dip at some of these tokens right now at these prices, you know where this is going. You know where this is going, because let's have a look at this article. Institutional Bitcoin buying spiked around Wednesday's crash. Today's Friday night, going into Saturday morning over here. So on Wednesday, this is what the institutions were doing. While everybody, the retail trader and investors was panicking, the institutions were there buying. I told you, that's how they play the game. So you have to do the same thing, people. Be smart about this. Be very smart, because if you don't, you're going to sell your Bitcoin and your digital assets into these people's hands, and they're going to be just laughing. So what's it say today about this? Blockchain data shows large investors remain confident of Bitcoin's long-term prospects and continue to accumulate coins on dips, shrugging off concerns about the negative environmental impacts of cryptocurrency mining. People, they're just like, hey, it ain't nothing. We know where this market is going. We're accumulating on the dips. That's what they're doing, people. Don't get it twisted. What's this article saying now? Bitcoin in discounted bull market, unlike stocks, according to Bloomberg Intelligence. This is Mike McGlone, and the future is likely tilted in its favor, according to this Mike McGlone analyst. This is serious, people. So I don't see these people flaking out. They're not worried. They're buying up Bitcoin. Bitcoin and altcoins have entered the mainstream after this week's price dip and will become stronger as a result, said Bloomberg Intelligence. In a tweet on Friday, Mike McGlone, the research unit's senior commodity strategist, described Bitcoin as being in a discounted bull market. Now, this guy here, Mike McGlone, I've heard of him before. I've seen him before. He's been in the stocks and commodities for years. He knows, come on, these guys, they're well experienced, people. Me, I'm not from that world, people. I ain't from that world. I've only been in Bitcoin for just over 3 years and a bit. I ain't in that world, right? These guys are more skilled. Look what he's saying. Bitcoin is in a discounted bull market. So we're in a bull market, but right now, he's saying right now the price of Bitcoin is on discount. BFAM is telling you people right now, if you didn't get, if you're new to this, welcome to the channel, welcome. But right now, Bitcoin's on discount. If you got a job, if you can do some overtime, get some extra cash. Go free at your house, go and sell your things in your house, your clothes that you don't need, sell it on eBay, whatever. Get that spare money in, because right now, the market is on discount, people. We are on discount. Christmas come early, yeah. New Year's come early. Wherever you celebrate, everything's on. Holidays, bonuses. Look, it's on early. Right? Come on, people, get that extra cash in. However you do it, it ain't gonna be forever, because you're gonna make so much money in this market. It's gonna be ridiculous. We've got to turn this around. This is a great opportunity. Don't get it twisted. It's a great opportunity. So sell whatever you can sell in your house that you don't need. Give up the wherever and get that money into the market. You're looking at bargains of a lifetime. I'm telling you right now, don't get it twisted. Now, what else is he saying? Bitcoin now has a key advantage over stocks. So, cryptocurrencies fell en masse along with Bitcoin during the Wednesday crash, which saw BTC/USD dip to 30 grand before recovering. As Cointelegraph reported, Altcoins then put in an awe-inspiring comeback, and some gained in excess of 70% in under a day. Because yesterday the market was green. It was green. Some of these coins were pumped. And I bet you some of you out there was thinking, it's coming back, it's coming back. This is the market for you. We're going one step up and two steps down right now. When we in the uptrend, it was two steps up, one step down, two steps up, one step down. Right now, we're going two steps down, one step up, two steps down, one step up. We ain't getting up right now. So chill, sit back, relax. Don't look, just take your time. Take your time. Please, 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 please. When you traders out there, you know what to do. I hope some of you, right? Ease back on the number of trades right now because things are very unpredictable. It's very choppy, right? Chill, chill. You know, manage your position size, the amount of money that you're putting on a trade, right? Be very careful, especially if you're using leverage. Mind your ass. You know, I've got a leverage long that I had around 42. I'm underwater, but it's only a 2x leverage, so I'm chilling. It's not a problem, right? So for now, anyway, so just be careful out there, people, because as I said, cryptocurrency, it was great in the uptrend, innit? People was loving it, but in the downtrend, everything's gone quiet now, innit? Chill, chill, yeah. Anyway, best time to learn, best time to learn, right? So what else is he saying? The bottom is in, not the top. McGlone is not alone considering the broader market trend to be intact after the week's volatility. Earlier, Cointelegraph noted statistic can Willy Woo's estimate that Bitcoin is only halfway through its current bull cycle. I hope I got that word right. Forgive me if I got it wrong, people. Anyway, Woo was in turn joined by Plan B, creator of the stock to flow family of Bitcoin's price models, who, in an appearance on the Wolf of Wall Street's podcast, likewise guessed at the bull market being 50% complete. So, okay, if you don't know who Plan B is, just Google this guy. He came out with a Bitcoin stock to flow proposal back in 2018 or towards the end of 2019. This is the flow chart here that he came up with, and this is basically a prediction of Bitcoin's movements over time. So we are here right now. Yeah, so this was before 2021. So we are around down here, around up here. So yeah, according to this chart, we are on point right now. Still, we are still in target for 100,000 Bitcoin towards the end of this year, people. So bear that in mind. Jump down the rabbit hole of who he is. He's an anonymous guy, so you won't ever see his face anywhere. And also check out Willy Woo and his stuff. He's got some good analytical stuff. So just Google these guys and YouTube them, and you'll find interviews and all sorts of stuff on both of these guys. Also, another person that I want you guys to check out is Jack Mallers, the Lightning Network. This guy, this young buck, is a genius, my people. I love this guy. Look, man, he gives the banks the middle finger, straight up and down, people, straight up and down. He's my man, because I give the banks my middle finger too, right? And what he has created, called the Lightning Network, is basically I can send you a Satoshi. I can send you a Satoshi, just one Satoshi, without all these crazy fees that you pay on the normal chain. It's a bit more than that, people, but check him out. He has started a few communities in Venezuela, Brazil, and some of these communities are just using Bitcoin, accepting Bitcoin, and it's just helping these communities in such a big way because of their their money over there is absolutely being pounded into the ground, devalued is to say the least. And Bitcoin has come along and saved these people's lives financially terms we are talking about here. Um, and it's amazing. So these people that use Bitcoin over in that part of the world, they see Bitcoin. They don't see Bitcoin like me and you to make money. Me and you, we are investing, we are trading. No, they are using Bitcoin to survive, people. Literally, right? So this guy here, he is doing great works, man. And I hope from what I'm seeing, this lightning network is going to be absolutely huge, people, if this takes off. And by the looks of it, it's got a good chance. So check out the interview that he's done with this brother here on Real Vision. It's a great interview, very informative for those people that want to go down the deep root of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. And I suggest you do, because it's very important to know the ins and outs of how important this Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is, people. It ain't just the money, as I keep on saying. It's bigger than that. It's so much more than that. It's going to help so many people in so many different walks of life. It's just unreal. There's so many unbanked people out there. They haven't got a bank account with DeFi and decentralized finance. It's going to open up the whole world to these people. So check out this interview. As I said, it's a great interview, and spread the word. Spread the word. So we've got the fear and greed index. Also, this is the Wall Street cheat sheet. Now, where are we on this cheat sheet, people? Hold on, where was it? Where have you gone? Here we are. Now, let's blow this up a bit. Oh, come on. All right, so we could be anywhere. I mean, we could be up here, but really and truly, we haven't come across that euphoria stage yet. And I hope you can see this, but if you can't, just Google it and click the image and it will come up. We haven't even come up to the thrill bit and euphoria stage like it was in 2017. No way, people. We're probably somewhere around here. And as you can see, we've had there's some big dips in this chart here. So the dip that we're going through, I mean, it's a big dip. I mean, we've gone from like over 50% with Bitcoin, from 64,000 to 30,000. That's over 50%. And the other coins, over 50%. So that's yeah, it's wounds out there. It's wounded. I mean, I've just come from the hospital. I just got some bandages just to wound clean myself up, or the wounds. It's bleeding. I've been bleeding too, people. But I managed to save a few soldiers out there still. So I'm okay still. I'm okay, you know. So yeah, just hold tight, hold strong, people, and I will see you for the next video. And also remember to smash up the likes, click the notification bell, share it with your friends and family, and check out my links in the description of the videos for all different types of platforms, services to aid you in your crypto journey. So this is BFAM. I'm talking kind of quiet because Tuesday is kind of late in my house, and I don't want to wake the family up, because they will not be happy with me. So you know what I'm saying, people. But hold strong for this strong end or weekend, as a lot of people say. But you know, BFAM, I like to twist words about strong end down here, especially in the crypto universe. You got to have strong diamond hands. Yeah, diamond hands, people. Some Bruce Lee diamond hands. Yeah, so it's tough. It's tough out here. It's so tough. It's tough. But we can do it. Anyway, BFAM signing out. I've got to love you. I've got to leave you. But I'll see you over the weekend at some point. Okay, peace. Bye-bye.